You have different tiers of DTF depending on speed. And
Yes.
These are all direct to film textile.
Yes, correct.
Behind me is the Mimaki, right?
Yes, this is the Mimaki TXF 300.
You seem to have a kind of a pattern with Japanese engineering.
Hey, when something works, you stick with it.
Stick with it, yeah. I buy Hondas and Toyotas for a reason too.
Exactly. So this is a 32-inch wide film.
Yep.
So nesting with 32-inch, it's a wider format, so you have a little bit more nesting capabilities. This shaker is something that we brand, has an external filtration system, and it's just, again, as you said, Japanese technology.
Right. I think in the DTF industry, the trouble has been everyone wanted to do it, and then the industry itself was a three-ring circus for a while. So, until the players like Hirsch got in it and said, hey, we can do this right.
So when we get involved with the product line, whether it's Tajima or whether it's Mimaki, STS, any of our brands, we focus on customers' ability to be profitable.
Right.
So we don't sell on price point, right? We sell based on lowest cost of overall ownership. And that's a big mistake that a lot of people, when they get into the business, is they look at the upfront pricing versus the ongoing cost of ownership.
Yeah, very important.
So we focus on making customers successful, because quite honestly,
if they're successful,
if our customers aren't successful, then we're not going to be successful.
Right, exactly. Let's take a look at the STS.
Okay, so this is the STS.
Yeah, I like the STS a lot. It's a complete STS integration, and they manufacture all their own inks too.
Made in the U.S.
All made.
All the ink is
they're not in
manufactured.
as I recall.
Yes, and they start with pigment and grind it versus getting a paste and just adding water, like condensed orange juice, where you pour the water in and you have orange juice, right? And that's what a lot of the companies do, is they start with that condensed, they pour water in it and call themselves an ink manufacturer.
Right.
So they start, again, I've been to the facility many times, they grind their own ink to precise molecules and manufacture the ink.
Yeah.
This is a 24-inch, but it prints at a blazing 188 square feet per hour.
You got some speed going on this.
With only 2 print heads.
Really?
So it's matching the speed of some of these other brands that have 4 or 5 print heads. And one of the keys with only 2 print heads is the way that the dots are laid down, you end up actually applying less ink.
Yeah.
So one customer reported 68% less ink usage with the STS than some of the other Chinese brands.
Right, and this STS is on a Muto platform, right?
Muto, yes. Yeah. It's an OEM from Muto. They partnered with Muto and said, this is how we want you to design the printer.
Yeah, so ink manufacturer, partnered with Muto, designed everything out, RIP specific, and then they actually put their own shaker together.
Yes. As you notice here, there's no external filtration.
Yeah, that's a cool thing. I saw how they designed that.
There's an electrostatically charged element in there that zaps the smoke, for lack of a better term.
Yeah,
and
you don't have any of the steam coming out of it.
Separates the glycol from the smoke, so that way clean smoke is going into the filter versus the glycol that can clog the filter and then end up filling your building with smoke after 2-3 weeks.
What I really like about what STS has done, they own the printer, the print heads, the ink, the powder, the shaker, the RIP, the whole workflow.
Yes.
So they test it as a workflow. It's all built as one entity, and that's what I think is really genius
Correct.
here.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, I agree with you. Running at the speeds they have and the quality that you're getting off it, very impressive. Again, Japanese engineering.
Japanese engineering.
All right, so now you have your Brother, which is a direct-to-garment.
Yes, also Japanese
engineering. Yes, I can't help but mistake.
So this is Brother's high production. It's their GTX 600 that has 6 color. Okay. So it has CMYK, and it also has orange and green.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Gorgeous.
So
prints.
Really hitting specific Pantone colors, things like that, especially in the sports and arena, licensed goods arena, where you have to be very specific on
Beautiful
color.
Hand on it from it
Yes.
too. Yeah, it really feels great.
Yes. So you'll get 50 to 55 shirts an hour if you're really focused on production.
Oh, that's really good.
You know, so from a cost point, this machine rivals machines that are several $100,000.
Okay, so you get a tremendous quality, extended gamut, Brothers legendary DTG,
Yes.
a knowledge, and you're getting a lot of value for your money for the amount that you can do.
Yes, and you can also print on DTF sheets.
Okay.
So that way it's kind of a dual purpose. The largest platen for this is 24 by 24. So you can really get into like streetwear with the oversized prints and things like that.
So you have, different tiers of DTF, and then you also offer a really nice Brother DTG in the Brother line of products.
Right, so we also have an entry-level model, which is the GTX Pro.
Okay.
And that's available in a cartridge or a bulking system. And this is just bulking.
All right.
This is designed for production.
Let's take a look at the final step in the whole process, which is the transfer, the Hotronix,
Yes.
and we'll wrap up.
So DTG and DTF have one primary component that's necessary
you're
and
gonna
that's
finish.
the heat press.
Yeah, you got a heat press.
And with
I note that people overlook this.
Yeah.
They think you can just go on Amazon and get a $300 press. You can. It's just not going to do what you want.
But you'll have uneven heat.
You will.
So with Hotronix, they have a lifetime warranty on the heating elements.
Really?
So peace of mind. You don't ever have to worry about if your heating element goes bad.
You buy it once, that's it.
And there's everything from small entry-level presses to this is the Dual Air Fusion Pro Place. It actually projects the image of what you're going to transfer onto the garment.
Really?
So that way you place
So you see exactly where it's going to be before it does
you
it.
position it. So that way an operator just positions it. They know it's square, it's centered.
Nice.
It's the right logo, right? So if they're laying down a circle and they see a square on here,
we got the wrong logo.
We have the wrong logo.
Very clever.
We are a premier Hotronix distributor.
Okay.
And not Japanese.
Okay, that's the only one.
American.
Okay, well,
So,
good, yeah.
U.S. made, but again, we're approached by numerous brands to distribute. And before we put our name on something, we test it, we put it through the ringer, we really take it apart, every nut, every bolt, every screw, to analyze it before we're willing to put our name on it. Because remember, by having multiple decoration types, if somebody's a large Tajima customer and we sell them a Brother printer that doesn't perform, how long do you think we'll have them as that Tajima customer, right?
Yeah.
So we partner with these brands like Tajima, Brother, STS, Mimaki, because we're confident. We're willing to put our name, our reputation behind these products. While we have manufacturer support, we sell, service, and support every product. So we're not going to pass the buck if something happens.
Right. My friend, that's why I love working with you.
I love working with you.
I have 100% confidence when I send clients your way. Don't worry about it. I won't. They'll be happy. They'll be treated like royalty. They
Absolutely.
don't doubt it for 1 second.